Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to do the eye detection. I hope you watched all the 5 videos of OpenCV and today we are going to do the eye detection. Okay, so I think you are familiar with the cascade classifier. We are going to use a Haar cascade classifier where we are going to find an effective object. Okay, so today we are going to find out the eyes. Okay, so Haar cascade is a machine learning approach where a lot of positive and negative images are trained to train the classifier. Okay, so there are positive and negative images. The positive images are the images that contains which we want our classifier to understand, and the negative images are images which do not contain the object we want to detect. Okay, so if you want to create your own cascade classifier, then you can use an online platform called Cascade Trainer GUI. Okay, which is used to customize or improve your Haar cascades. Okay, so what I am going to do is I have already downloaded it from the GitHub, so I am going to use that. Okay, so I'll be giving you the link in the description. You can just directly download the Haar cascade files. Okay, so now let's give import CV2. Now let's give the eye cascade is equals to CV2 dot cascade classifier, and you have to go to the classifiers that you have here. Okay, so let's go to the Haar cascades, and here you can see the eye, right? We are going to choose the eye. So what you can do is just take the rename, copy it, and then come back to our code and paste it. Okay, so now let's give img is equals to cv2 dot imread, and I am going to use the picture called profile dot jpg, and let's give it in the colored format. Okay, I hope you remember all this. It is the factor that we are using, right? So now let's use the eye is equals to eye cascade dot detect multiscale of the image, comma, whatever is the value you want, you can give comma 6. Okay, so here we are taking this 1.1 to be the scale factor and 6 to be the minimum neighbors. Okay, so scale factor means it is a parameter specifying how much the image is reduced at each image scale. So 1.05 is a good value for this, which means you use a small step for resizing, that is the size by 5%. You increase the chance of a matching size with the model for the detection is found. This also means that the algorithm works slower since it is more, though you may increase it to as much as 1.4 for faster detections. Okay, with the risk of missing some eyes together. Okay, so we have used 1.1 which is less than 1.4. Okay, now what are minimum neighbors? The value 6. Parameters specifying how many neighbors each candidate triangle should have to retain it. Thus, this parameter will affect the quality of the detected faces. Higher the value of the results in the detections, but with higher quality. Okay, so the value which is good is 3.63 to 6. Okay, is a good value for it. So that's why I chose like 6. Okay, so now let's use this for, let's take w, x, y, z in img is equals to cv2 dot rectangle. I hope you remember this. Now let's give img w, x. Now let's give w plus y, comma, x plus z. Okay, so now the color is 25500. I choose this color. If you want, you can choose any other color. Okay, so now I gave the thickness to be 3. So now let's give im show of img comma img. Now we have to give the weight key of 0 as well as cv2 dot destroy all windows. So now let's see, let me give I detection for saving. Okay, you can see the picture of Shahid Kapoor with the eyes marked, right? So this is the eye detection. Okay, so if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next detection with some other interesting detections. Bye students.